sunset's so cool tonight. Alright, back at it. Martin did most of this field already today, and he had to go, and so I taken over. We had to switch around some teeth on this, change some, and I'll finish up this little bit, and then I'll go up the road a ways, work on the field we started up there. Won't get that finished, but hopefully I can get this finished tonight and get moved up there. So yeah, sunset is really cool tonight, but yep, hopefully we can get this done tonight. We'll see. We'll probably go up there for a little bit if it's not too late. We'll see. Alright, got the other field finished up, and I'm back over here on this other field. I started here, and there's this chunk over there that's already done. I'm gonna do in between here, do in between them, and see how late it is. It's 6:30 right now, and I don't know. I'll probably just quit once I get this done, but I don't know. We'll see. Maybe I'll keep going. But got the other field finished, so we'll see. Alright, so I got that chunk done I was doing, and it's 7:15, so I think I'm gonna quit for tonight. We got about half of this field done because we started on it last week, never finished it, and then came back and did a little bit today, but we got about half of it done, so we're getting there. Still got probably 300 acres left to do, 200 acres. But yeah, we're getting there. Thanks for watching this video. Please like and subscribe and stay tuned for more.